Now, dark mode's actually quite important. More than it simply being more comfortable on your eyes, what you have to bear in mind is that your monitor is actually a light. Now, the quality of your camera, your audio and your lighting are the three things that will set you apart from very amateur to professional looking. Lighting, for example, is best handled outside of the camera and the monitor. But when you have light mode set up, that white will act as a light on your face. So whatever lighting you've got going on elsewhere in the studio, it will be illuminated even more by your monitor. The problem is as well, as your guests' colours change and you bring in different screens to share, that light will become stronger or weaker, change colour on your face and just be a little bit obvious. So I personally dark mode, and this also makes all of the elements, I believe, within Studio a little bit more prominent as well. So I personally prefer this as an option and it works well for me.